If you run a WordPress site on Namecheap, one of the smartest things you can do is create a full manual backup before making any big changes. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to back up your WordPress site manually in Namecheap, including both your website files and your database, so you have a complete copy stored safely on your computer. This is one of those simple tasks that can save you from major headaches later, whether you're updating plugins, changing themes, or troubleshooting an issue. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more WordPress and hosting tutorials. Alright, let's get started. The first step is to log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your account dashboard, look for your hosting services. From there, go to Hosting List. You should see your active hosting plan listed here. Next to the hosting plan you want to back up, click Go to cPanel. This will open the control panel for your hosting account. Once cPanel loads, look for the Files section and click File Manager. File Manager is where all of your website files are stored, and this is where we'll create the backup of your WordPress installation. Inside File Manager, you need to open the public_html folder, or whichever document root contains your WordPress site. In many cases, public_html is the main folder, but if your site is installed in a subfolder or add-on domain, make sure you open the correct directory. This step is important because you want to back up the actual WordPress files that power your website. Once you're in the right folder, select all of the WordPress files and folders. These typically include wp-admin, wp-includes, and the various WordPress core files in the root directory. After selecting everything, click Compress. A compression window will appear and ask you what type of archive you want to create. Choose Zip Archive, since this is the easiest format to store and download. Then confirm the file name and create the backup archive. cPanel will now compress your website files into a single .zip file. Depending on the size of your site, this may take a moment. Once the compression is complete, you'll see the new .zip file in File Manager. Select that file and download it to your computer. This zip file is now your backup of the WordPress files, including themes, plugins, uploads, and core site data stored on the server. But we're not done yet, because a proper WordPress backup also needs the database. Your posts, pages, settings, comments, and many plugin configurations are stored in the database, so this is a critical part of the process. To back up the database, go back to cPanel and look for the Databases section. Click phpMyAdmin. phpMyAdmin is the tool that lets you manage and export MySQL databases connected to your website. Inside phpMyAdmin, you'll see a list of databases on the left side. Select the databases used by your WordPress website. If you're not sure which one it is, you can check the wp-config.php file in your WordPress root folder. That file contains the database name, username, and other connection details. Once you've selected the correct database, click Export at the top. On the export screen, choose Quick as the export method and SQL as the format. This is the standard and simplest way to create a database backup file. After that, click Export again to download the SQL file to your computer. This SQL file contains all of the content and settings from your WordPress database, and it works together with the zip file to give you a full manual backup. At this point, you should have two important files: the zip archive of your WordPress files and the SQL export of your database. Make sure you keep both of these together in a safe place, such as an external drive, cloud storage, or a dedicated backup folder on your computer. That way, if anything ever goes wrong, you'll be able to restore your site much more easily. This is especially useful before installing updates, changing your theme, migrating your site, or making major edits. And just to recap, the safest manual backup strategy is always to save both parts of your WordPress site, the files and the database. Namecheap recommends backing up your entire WordPress installation or database before making major changes, and that's exactly what you've done here. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you'd like a guide on how to restore a WordPress backup next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.